Welcome to Biza's Kitchen and more. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
It's cooking time.
Hey guys, welcome to Biza's Kitchen and more. If you're new to our channel, my name is Angeline and this is my gogo. My gogo is going to be teaching me how to make Sadza. Sadza is a staple food eaten by Zimbabweans and other African countries. So Gogo, you can say hello to our friends.
Hello viewers, I'm Mrs. Gambiza. I've got my granddaughter. I'm here to teach her how to cook Sadza. So, Sadza is a staple food in our country, Zimbabwe. You know what? This is our thing we can measure. Then we take our cornmeal here. Look.
Cool.
As we take, then we take water. Then we take a wooden stick again, stir.
That's my first time.
Yeah, as we stir, then we put our oven, our stove. Can you carry it?
Okay, let me try to.
Put it at the stove. Then we take hot water. Hot water already.
Oh,
Hot water. Then we put, look.
hot water inside the pot.
Stir. Wait. We are first cooking porridge.
Because that's why it's liquid.
So mom, so basically you're waiting for it to boil up, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
If water is boiling, then we put in the mixture.
Okay.
Stir it up. Getting so white, Gogo. It's cool.
Still. Yeah. So it's going to then we cover.
The heat looks
So when you cover, you let it bubble, right?
It is starting.
So based on what I know.
It is starting to bubble.
Oh,
yeah.
like
So based on what I
popcorn.
know with cooking this for myself as well, you have to cover it because once that cornmeal splash on your skin, it's like fire.
Oh, it's gonna burn. That happened to me
Oh my
once.
god, I have a scar right now that shows the hotness. Hey.
That happened to me when I did the previous popcorn video. Oh.
Yeah, we want it like porridge.
It's the cool part. I hope it doesn't bubble like a beef. I don't like that. I want my skin.
It will bend you.
Oh yeah.
It's just like how you
That's
make
why.
dough.
That's why we cover.
Oh yeah. I have the scars to prove it.
This look exciting. I can't wait to eat it. Oh yes, Mama, I can see it. Oh!
We want it to bubble for a long time. If it bubble, then we take cornmeal so we can put here. Then you can move. I
So
shall
it can
show
be like-
you. I shall
like
show you.
Like dough, like when you make dough. and stuff.
You know what? If you are cooking porridge, you don't eat for a Saturday. Then you eat no. It must bubble for
A while.
a while. And you will see that it's now right. because they will be what?
Yes, okay. I'm staying back.
It's a kitchen. You're gonna get burned.
It's bubble.
I can see it bubble. It's like eyes popping like.
Yeah. And do you know how to cook porridge?
Yes, good.
No, she don't know how to cook porridge.
First of all, if you are cooking sadza, you must first learn how to cook porridge. Because sadza comes from porridge.
Yes.
First make porridge.
And hashtag I don't know how to make porridge.
Now it's now porridge. Look.
Oh, can you guys, everyone see this?
Yes, it is porridge. I took.
Everyone back off. I hope it doesn't splash on us.
Look.
Cornmeal. Oh, good. This looks really cool, Lola.
So
Just like science.
Do this.
Oh, it's turning like dough.
Do this.
Wow.
In Jamaica, we call this turn cornmeal.
Cornmeal?
Turn cornmeal. But guess what?
cornmeal.
With what we do, we put meat and coconut milk and stuff in ours.
Delicious.
This is sadza. You don't put sugar. You don't put salt.
Nothing.
It's only water and cornmeal.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
But you eat it every day. Is it sweet or is it salty? It has
It just,
Look.
it tastes like nothing.
Look, Angie.
Oh, good. This is really cool. It's just like science.
Can you see? Touch.
Like this.
Look. Do this.
It's just like dough.
No. Look what I'm doing. I'm trying to mix
Like
cornmeal.
cornmeal?
Yeah, with the dough. Look. It's now right. If it is like this, you do this, then you cover again.
Salsa tastes good.
You reduce fire,
Oh, heat.
heat, so like this. It's finished.
Oh, that was fast. I like salsa because it tastes good. And salsa started capture it. So now it's time to serve our salsa. Now salsa is ready and dinner is served. Thank you guys for stopping by at Biza's Kitchen and More. Ta-na-na-na!
Once again, thank you for stopping by at Biza's Kitchen and More. If you like our content, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, comment down below and tell us how we did in today's video. Again, thank you and goodbye.